In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Synthesia video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a finished video into a simple link you can send to anyone, even if they don't have a Synthesia account. Start by opening your browser and searching for Synthesia. From the results, choose the official website to make sure you're in the right place. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login option. Go ahead and click it. Sign in using your usual method, whether that's your email and password or a single sign-on provided by your organization. Keep your credentials private and make sure you're on a secure connection. After you're in, head to the left-hand menu and select the Videos tab. This is where all your created videos live. If you have a lot of content, you can use any filters or search tools to find what you need. When you see the correct project, click its thumbnail to open the video page. This view lets you preview the video and access options specific to that file, so it's a good moment to confirm you're sharing the right version and that playback looks and sounds the way you expect. Next, look to the top right of the video page and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you control who can view your video. To make the link easy to distribute, toggle on Enable Public Access. With this enabled, anyone with the link can watch the video without signing in. This is perfect for sharing with clients, teammates outside your workspace, or audiences who just need to view the final result. Once public access is on, click Copy Link. That places the shareable URL on your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, a chat message, a document, or wherever your audience will see it. As a quick quality check, you can paste the link into a private or incognito browser window to confirm it opens and plays without requiring a login. If at any point you want to stop sharing, simply return to the Share panel and turn off public access to immediately revoke the link. A couple of tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the public access option, your workspace may have restricted sharing settings, so you might need an admin or the video owner to adjust permissions. And finally, be mindful of what you share publicly. If your content includes sensitive information, consider restricting access instead of enabling public viewing. That's it. You've successfully shared a Synthesia video with a single, easy-to-use link.